holidays are just around the corner, and the dogs love that I pulled out the carpet for the living room. They are having a blast, they have more traction, and they won't stop playing. I pulled out some ugly Christmas sweaters for the dogs. They are both bought from Target. Aren't they super cute?
Tell me a puppy secret. You did what? Let's go.
In case you're wondering, Mango and Coconut play with each other most of the time throughout the day when they are not sleeping. I love it when Mango gets on her back. I think it's the cutest thing ever. Do your dogs do this? Coconut out so she can experience snow for the first time in her life. There's going to be a parade, so they closed up all the streets and lots of kids had fun. And we invited some people over for the holidays, so we prepared our home for some snacks and drinks for some of our friends and family to come over. Coconut's birthday is actually in December, so a lot of you guys have been asking me how large Coconut will be. Well, now that she's turned 1 this year, this is actually as large as she gets. She's not going to get much bigger from this. She should fluff out a little more and become a little more fluffy, kind of like Mango, but in terms of size, I think she's already done growing. She weighs about 3 pounds as an adult dog, and in comparison to Mango, who is a standard size pom, Mango is about 8 pounds, so you can kind of see she's about half the size of Mango. Ooh, look who fell asleep with her tongue outside of her mouth. Oh, I love it when Mango sleeps like this. Mango, Coconut, what'd you get Mommy? What'd you get Daddy for his birthday? What'd you get him?
Just want to clean my ear on my birthday. How about you? I want to clean my other ear.
Clean Daddy's ear for his birthday.
No? You don't want to?
Coconut. Here is our makeshift dinner table. Coconut, is that your Christmas sweater? Is that your Christmas sweater? Coconut, is that your Christmas sweater? Mango, what are you wearing? Are you wearing Christmas pajamas? What does your butt say? I think it says Santa's helper. Are you Santa's helper? Bless you.
Mango,